Hello there guys, this is Jack One Day talking here, and today is gonna be the day. I got another video for you, and today's video is all about this AC unit fan that is absolutely amazing. Like honestly, it started getting really warm in the UK here at the moment. I don't know if you can hear them people, but they are shouting and it's really getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna shut my window even though it's very hot, but it's alright because I've got my AC unit fan, you know. Right, so I've just shut my window and now you shouldn't be able to hear him. I don't know if you could hear him anyway in the first place. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my AC unit fan. It's just like a little portable one, and I'm just going to go through it, how to set it up, pros and cons of it, where you can find to buy it as well. Link will be in the description. And yeah, I just thought I'd make a video on it because it's like, it's actually really good. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I'm basically saying, right, before I've even shown you it, I recommend it. It's sick. Like, the price of it as well, like, you won't regret it. Right, so here it is on my desk, just to sort of show you how big it actually is, which is very small actually. Here's an iPhone 10, and there you go. It is literally a tiny bit taller than an iPhone 10, as you can see. So it's not very big. It's literally like the size of your hand. It can fit on your desk anywhere along it because it's so small, and it is literally, it cost me about £20, £25 when I bought it. I've had it for over a year now. I bought it last summer because it was absolutely boiling, and honestly it's done a great job and it's not broken yet, so it's good. Right, so just showing you around the fan sort of side. If you turn it around and go around to the back, the fan is here. It's literally like this size. It's sort of like a desk, like a fan you get in a computer, like down there. It's about that size, and it goes basically there, and it's pushing the air out through the front, and there is a radiator inside, which is like thin pieces of paper running through, like up and down like that, which soaks up the water, which you put in the tank on the side here. You put like cold water in that, and then it will soak into the radiator. And then this is the front, and you've got little grills you can tilt up and down, so you can direction the airflow. So before I put water in it, I'm just going to show you how you can remove the tank. So say you didn't want to pick up this whole thing, you can actually just literally, oh, it's quite hard with one hand, but hold on. So if you want to take it off, just literally got that, it slides up out of the side. You can see it's just got his lips, and then that just slides back in like that. So now I'll put the water in, and it's about up to there, as you can see. And all you've got to do is basically plug the little cable in. It's a micro USB cable that goes into the back right here. And then the USB end just goes into any sort of USB power you have, which could be plugged into a computer or just the wall if you've got a USB socket. Anywhere really with a USB port, that's how it's powered. So I'll quickly show you how to get inside of it quickly, which is quite cool. If you take the water tank off, and then what you do is just get a finger and literally do that. And there's a little hinge, as you can see there. Lift this up, big slowly lift it because it's got a cable there. So you don't want to rip that out. There you go. And now what you see is basically the inside there. So what you can do is lift this out, and this is basically the radiator. So kind of try and get this out. There you go. So you can lift this out like so. So what you can see is it's like paper-like material, just running from top to bottom, and that basically, if I touch it now, it would be wet. As you can see, it's quite like, looks, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it looks quite soggy, and that's because it's got cold water in it. And how you're saying, how is that wet? So basically at the bottom, down there, that's where the water goes. So the water just runs up sort of through the paper, and then yeah. So putting that back in, it's handy that you can get that out, because then you can always clean it if you need to, or get a replacement. So yeah, just fold that back down like that, and then put this back on. So what I'm going to do now is plug it in and show you it on, and the functions on top and how to use them. Right, so what I've done is I've just got a portable charger to power it for now. This is what's so cool about it. You can literally take this out to your garden, take a portable charger, the lead you get with it, which is USB to a micro USB, and then you plug it into the back of it, which is, as I said, another small device which you can just throw around. So taking you around the back, we'll plug that in like so. Right, so now I'm going to turn it on, and how you turn it on is you don't just click it like that, you click and hold, and then there you go. And as you can tell, the light turns on. This is the light I was on about. It's just a little RGB light, as you can see down there, and lights up the whole tank. It's quite nice, flicks through the colours. If I click the light button up top, right, so if you hold the light button, what it will do, it will go through the colours, as you can see. There you go. And then if you just click it once, it will set to that colour. You click it on, and then to get it back flick through the colours, you can't just click it, you have to click and hold. And there you go. And now it's flicking through the colours again. So I'll just leave it on that way. So now taking you over to the fan speeds, basically you've got 3 little dots, as you can see. That means it's on full blast, and it's the most powerful it can be, and it is throwing out a lot of air. It is cooler than this room. It's hard to explain. I should probably have a thermometer and actually test it out and show you, but unfortunately I don't have one on me. But take my word for it, it is definitely very cool compared to the heat in my room. And it is a great little personal desk fan. I wouldn't recommend this to cool down your whole room. Like, say you're in a big room and you're expecting it to cool your whole room so you can walk around and it be nice and cool. I wouldn't recommend this product for that. It's definitely not that great because it's only a very small device, as you can see. It's more of just a little desk fan you can put on your desk to keep you cool. But yeah, going on to the fan speed, you just click it once and it goes down to 1 and then 2. So that's a little bit more faster, and then 3, which is full power. And you click it again, it goes down to 1, 2, and then 3. So that's that. And then the last sort of function on it is the sleep. Right, so with the sleep function button, it's not got many features. However, if you click it once, what it will do is, as you see, it will turn the light off, so it's less distracting and it won't wake you up, or let's say it won't disturb you from going to sleep. And it will also set the fan speed to 1, so it's not too powerful and it's not going to sort of disturb you or make too much noise, or even just like too much airflow could probably make you cold, or kind of restrict your breathing if you're getting too much air blown in your face and you're looking directly at it. So it'll be quite harsh on your eyes and your mouth while you're trying to sleep. So I can't tell you right now, because I haven't used the sleep mode for a long time on this, how long this stays on for, but it does shut off and turn itself off after a certain period of time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just throw an annotation on screen now and tell you how long this takes before it turns off with the sleep mode. So I recommend getting this product for a friend. It could be for a gift, or it could be for yourself. It's really good, it's cheap. It only cost me like £20–25 when I bought it last year. It's still working to this day, absolutely fine. It is great. It does a great job at keeping me cool when I'm sitting there working at home, especially in the summer. Don't expect anything like it's gonna cool your whole room down, especially if you've got a big room, because it won't do that. However, it has got some range on it. Like, I'm quite far away from it right now and it's only on number 1 speed and I can feel it. But just don't expect it to be like amazing, like one of them like aircon units that are in the ceiling that's gonna cool you down. It's just more of a personal area AC unit. It's slightly better, if not quite, I would say quite a lot better than just a normal little desk fan. The water radiator really does cool down the air and you can feel it. It does make a difference. So I'll put the name and model of this specific product down in the description, so make sure to check it out. I'll see if I can find the link and put it up with it as well. But yeah, that's this product review. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below. Comment as well if you've got any other video suggestions or whatever you want to comment. You know what? Let's do whatever YouTuber does. And comment down below my slime if you made it to this point of the video. I'll be proud if you have. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.